Welcome to the course of Metrology and Measurement. I am Dr. Gautam Pal, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department of University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. And today I am going to discuss another tutorial, that is tutorial 2, that is on the slip gauges. And here, in the previous case, I have discussed the problem with M87 slip gauge box. So now today I am going to discuss about the M112 slip gauges box and the problem related to this M112 slip gauges. Here in the case of M87 set of slip gauges, as per Indian standard IS 2984 1966, there's 87 number of slip gauges are there, and in M112 set of slip gauges there are 112 number of pieces are there. So with this range 1.0005 steps, there is only one number of pieces are there, 25, 50, 75 and 100. With the steps of 25 millimeter has 4 number of pieces, and 0.5, 0.1, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, in this way up to 24.5. With the steps of 0.5 there is a 49 number of slip gauges. So in this way the next 1.01 to 1.49 with the steps of 0.01 millimeter has 49 number of pieces. Now next with 1.001 to 1.009 millimeter with the steps of 0.001 millimeter has 9 pieces. And next is the problem. You have to build up length of 35.4875 millimeter using M112 set. Use two protector slips of 2.5 millimeter each. So 2.5 millimeter protector slip will be attached to the at the bottom and at the top of this combination of slip gauges. So you have to subtract 2.5 into 2, that is minus 5, from this value of 35.4875. So it will be 30.4875. Next you have to consider the last decimal value, that is you will obtain from these slip gauges, that is the 1.0005, and after subtracting this we will get 29.4870. So when you get this 29.4870, this third decimal place up to third decimal place, that is minus 1.007, will get 28.48, and when this 28.48, another slip gauge from this range will get this range 1.48 will get, if you subtract this we will get 27 and round up this with minus 2, that is 25. So the combination of the slip gauges will be like this: one protector slip gauge is at the bottom and another protector slip gauge is at the top, then 25 plus 2 plus 1.48 plus 1.007 plus 1.0005. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slip gauges are there with two protector slip gauges at the bottom, and the top will use for the combination of this 35.4875 millimeter. Now these protector slip gauges are used for the wear and to protect it from the wear and tear of the costly slip gauges, that is these bottom faces are in contact with the measurement, so these are used for the protection from the wear and tear. Now another, you have to build the 87.3215. So in that case we have to subtract minus 1.0005. Here no protector slip gauges are used, and with 87 M87, so you can see the difference between these two. here no protector slip is given, and that is 1.86.3210 minus 1.001, that is 85.32, and from the 87 slip gauge box minus 1.32 we will get 84 minus 480. So 80 plus 4 plus 1.32 plus 1.001 plus 1.0005, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slip gauges will be used without any protector slip gauges. Now in this way, the ringing of slip gauges will use to get any value or the combination of slip gauges. So thank you.